Lift the lid of an apple box and it falls, slowly, like it's expensive. That's not an accident. It's engineered. A near-perfect seal traps air inside. It can only escape through one tiny vent, turning the box into a pneumatic piston. That seal only works because the lid and base are machined to sub-millimeter tolerances, tighter than most furniture joints. Then there's the finish. A matte, soft touch coating absorbs light and fingerprints. Glossy boxes shout, Apple's whispers. One logo, one silhouette, acres of white space. Cheap brands fill every surface. Apple leaves room because restraint feels expensive.